Math lovers, how are you? Most of the students do this question in the way that 3 is cancelled with 15. So 90 divided by 5 is equal to 18, which is wrong approach. We will solve this question by using KCF or CCF. A mean keep it, C mean copy it. So keep it or copy it as itself, it will be 90. C stands for change and multiplication is changed into division. F stands for flip. So 1 by 3 is flipped. It will be 3 divided by 15. So now 90 divided by 3 will be equal to 30 divided by 15. Now it is very simple. 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2. Hence 2 will be our answer. Thank you.